Hello everyone and welcome back to BLUSHESSWEETLY. Good, how are you? And we are currently at Dollar General. We are going to try to put some deals together. Deals you can do right now, and to also see if that $5.01 coupon will print at the end. Now, first deal I am going to do, I'm still have that coupon for $5.49 off when you purchase two. I'm going to scan these and make sure that they attach. I could get the body wash, but I'll do this instead. So all in this deal will be an all digital deal. So I can't stand these things. Alright, the next items I will be picking up is the Head and Shoulders. They are $2 a piece, and we have a $3 off 2 coupon, so I'm going to throw that in. Alright, the next two things I'm going to be picking up is this Always for $5 on my account. I don't think it's exclusive. I didn't say it, so maybe everyone has it, but we have a $5 off Always Discreet. I did scan this. This is for the liners, the $2 attached, but we don't want that. So we're going to get this because this makes this completely free. And then we're going to get our Old Faithful, the $3 discreet liners, and the $2 will come off, making it $1. Alrighty, the next item I will be picking up is this Venus razor for $7. We have a $4 off digital coupon, making that $3. And just in case if they don't have that, you can also add in the Gillette. The $4 coupon does attach to that. You just might have to add in a little extra just to hit the $15. Alright, the next two items we are going to be picking up is one of these Always for $4. We do have a $2 digital coupon, making it $2. Pick up these. And then we are going to pick up some Tampax. Oh, I guess I'll just take this one. This is $4, and we have a $4 off coupon. I mean a $2, which was a $4. A $2 off coupon. And I think the last is it. The last two items is going to be this one for $3. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1. And then this $2 toothbrush that has a $1 digital, making it $1. Alright, let me add up everything and let's see what we have. Alrighty, so we are currently at $42 with all these items. We have a total of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. Okay, and we are at $42. So after all digital coupons, now this is now 5 off 25, but after all digital coupons, it should be $15.51. And we should get that $5 coupon printed at the end. So let's see what happens.
It'll be $17.72.
Alrighty everyone, we are out. It came out perfectly, just like I said, $15.51 for 11 items. And let me show you the receipt. It's all curled up because it's coming to the end. Oh, well, they just didn't replace the paper, but whatever. Okay, so here's the receipt, all digital deal. Alright, and then $15.51, we actually had a savings of $26.49 for 11 items. But we also got back, let me show you, the curled up paper, the $5 coupon back when you spend $15. So we really only spent $10.51 for 11 items. So less than $1 on every one of these things. You know, this alone is $5. That alone is $7. That's $5. And then these are $4. So again, less than $1 for every single item. We got back our coupon, so now we can use that onto something else that we can turn around and do. And if you want to do your own 5 off 25, now you can, and you don't even have to worry about reaching $25 in order for the 5 off to come off. You can now just use it on anything. If you need juice, go in there and get juice. Get I saw we have some, they're kind of like crappy coupons, but like 25 cents off Tyson chicken and stuff. Turn around and take that $5 off coupon and put it over there. But anyone can do this deal because this is an all digital deal. I didn't want to incorporate no paper coupons. You know, I got a lot of them, and I will be using that up before Saturday. But you can do this deal. You can use any of those coupons together. You can get the little Dawn for the with the 25 cent off coupon. You can get the Gillette razors. You can get a Gain and all that, and working these that have like this. If you still have that coupon left, you can get the Gain and still get these and use all digital scenario and still get that 5 off coupon at the end of your receipt. So there you go. Alrighty everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, I just wanted to end the video with y'all see my PNG. I just got it in, so fabulous. I will type the person that sent it to me. You can go on IG and find her. She is awesome. She ships very quickly. I just love her. Yay! But here's the PNG. This is for September. We have that coupon thingy you fill out. I don't know. I never do them. And we have these coupons. 25 cents, but I guess that's better than having nothing. It's just about the same. So, oh, come on. Alright, and we have Tide coupons. And some draft, more draft, and these. Now, you need to go and subscribe to Tara YouTube, Miss Tara YouTube. I will either put in the description or somehow edit this because I'm not very good at editing yet. But she did do a video, I think 2 days ago, of the use of these coupons. The one coupon, this $3, actually attaches to this, and this is the 105 count. This $2 coupon attaches to this, and this is the one for $3.75, so it'll be $1.75 after, and this one will be $1.50 after if you use it. And I didn't get to try that. The reason why the bottles are here, because I actually tried it here in Florida just to make sure, and those did work. I didn't use this yet to try that out. Oh, and she did do, I think it was the Tide bottle for $3. That came off, but not the flings. I didn't try that yet either. I just was looking at the really, I want this. But so just check out her video. She lets you see what worked and what didn't. Oh, let me go back to the coupon now. You have to make sure you line these up correctly, because this coupon attaches to both, okay, both of these. So you need to make sure this goes first for the bottle, that is for the bounce, okay, because that $2 will attach. So if it attaches to the bounce sheets, this will not come off, because I had everything in order, but the cashier took it out of order, and I was trying to figure out why, and I didn't realize that she took it out of order. So even though we were still in a transaction, I just told her to take off both. That kicked out both coupons, and then re-ring it in the same transaction, so we didn't cancel anything. And then I told her scan that coupon and then that coupon, and then it took off perfectly. So I know it would be fine to do it in a transaction. You just gotta line it up properly and watch closely of how they scan those coupons. So now we have the Mr. Clean. These coupons, this is awesome, $1 off of 2. This coupon here, $1 off, does attach to that Dawn. That Dawn right there. And she did the green one, so I did the blue one. I did not try the orange one, but don't get any bottles that is in the dollar area where it says special value, because it does not attach to those at all. Only the ones that are in the dish area. Now they did go down on coupons for the pads and tampons. They were $2 for August. They're only $1. Wait a minute, what is that? Oh, that's $1 off of liners. I don't know how much they are, but this is what the coupons look like. And come on. Okay, and we have these. And remember, these are all still part of the P&G deal. So, if you need Vicks and stuff like that, put that into your to your amount. Get at $15, and you should get that $5 off coupon at the end. The $1 toothpaste coupon does attach to the one in the $1 aisle. If you go watch your video, you will see that. They didn't have any in store, so I didn't try it. And then we have our Always Discreet, which is our good old faithful. Razors. Oh, we got 3 off of 3. Boo. I didn't even realize that. Normally it's 5. Hate when you do that. Anywho. And 3 off of 2. There we have that. Coming to the end. I don't know if I ever seen the waterless products. Oh, that's good. Buy one secret aluminum free deodorant and get one free. Oh, hopefully that'll be a good deal at Walgreens, you know, for points or register rewards when you buy 4. We can use those coupons. Hopefully they give us a good deal. And we have that. I will tell you, I did do this deal. I picked up the Swagger body wash and the Swagger deodorant spray, and the coupon kept saying it could not find anything, you know, like it couldn't attach to anything. The first deodorant I had was Fiji. It wasn't doing it, so I thought, okay, maybe it's the scent. So I went and I grabbed the actual Swagger deodorant spray, and it wouldn't do it on that one either. And I'm going to try a different body wash either later on today or tomorrow. But yeah, so it did not attach, and my cashier is wonderful, because I told her I was trying to do the P&G deal, and she just, don't worry about it. She was like, don't worry about it, Blushes. I'll take off the $5. I know that you got the right stuff. So I was like, yay. And then we have, oh, $3 off of what? Oh, that's off of a box. Okay. $3 off of a box. And that's it. That's all for the P&G. Alright everyone, like, comment, and subscribe again. And keep your eyes on a prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.